for somebody different, cause my daddy was a pimp. My mama had issues, but I miss her anyway, oh baby. Oh. Please don't call me for the wrong thing.